Hey, tell us where you're coming from today. Where are you located?
We're both based in Vancouver, British Columbia. So I'm at my house, and I believe Matt's in the office today.
Fantastic. Good. Well, listen, I'm really glad to have you with us. Hey, we have an exciting broadcast coming up here today. And for those of you watching, I want to quickly introduce our industry experts here on the broadcast today. And then we're going to be diving right in. So I have on the screen here, I have Phil Jones. Phil, tell our viewers who you are and what it is that you do.
Hey, everybody. So I am the Global VP of Business Development at Copperleaf. And what I do is I work with clients to help them resolve big capital planning and asset management problems. And that's what I and my team do. Excellent.
Hey, I also understand that you have a technical background. Tell us a little bit about your background, your technical aspects of it.
Yeah, I do. So I have an electrical engineering degree from Georgia Tech, a bachelor's and a master's. And I started out my career as a design engineer, designing measure well drilling tools for Schlumberger, in Houston. And I later transitioned into more sitting between designers who like solving problems and people with the problems. And that's where I've dedicated my career ever since.
Excellent. Well, we'll dig more into that as we go forward. Next, we also have Matthew Hayart. Matt, how are you today?
Doing great. Thanks for having me here, Mark.
Really good. Can you tell the viewers, who are you and what do you do?
Yeah, absolutely. So I'm an engineer by trade. And for the last 5 years or so, I've been working with some of the biggest companies in the world, implementing digital transformation projects to improve their capital planning processes.
Very good. Very good.